Welcome to our channel. Did you know that after the age of 60, many men experience a drop in sexual energy? But what if I told you that the right vitamins could help you feel more energized and confident in the bedroom? If you're in your 60s or even 70s, and you're looking to boost your sexual health naturally, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll dive into the top vitamins that can make a big difference in your sexual vitality. Stay tuned for expert tips on how to improve blood flow, boost testosterone, and feel rejuvenated. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more health tips that can change your life. Let's get started. Lesson 1. The importance of vitamin D. Vitamin D is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, and for good reason. It plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels, which are essential for sexual vitality in men, especially those over 60. As men age, the natural decline in testosterone can lead to reduced libido, lower energy levels, and even erectile dysfunction. Ensuring adequate levels of vitamin D can help counteract this decline. Studies show that low levels of vitamin D are linked to lower testosterone levels, making supplementation or increased sun exposure critical. The best source of vitamin D is sunlight, but it can also be found in foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified products like milk and cereals. If you're not getting enough through sunlight or diet, a supplement might be a good option to keep your testosterone levels in check and boost overall sexual health. Lesson 2. The power of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 plays an often overlooked role in sexual health, but its impact is significant. This vital vitamin is crucial for the production of red blood cells and the proper functioning of the nervous system. For men over 60, vitamin B12 helps maintain nerve health, which directly impacts sexual function. It also promotes healthy circulation by supporting red blood cell production, reducing the risk of erectile dysfunction. As blood circulation improves, so does the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the sexual organs, supporting sexual performance. Vitamin B12 is found in animal products like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. For those who follow vegetarian or vegan diets, fortified cereals and supplements are good alternatives. Maintaining optimal vitamin B12 levels can enhance overall sexual health, making it a key part of a well-rounded approach to wellness for men in their senior years. Lesson 3. Why vitamin E should be in your diet. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can have a positive effect on sexual health, particularly for older men. It helps protect cells from oxidative stress, which can damage tissues over time. This includes tissues involved in sexual function. By improving blood circulation, vitamin E helps ensure better oxygen and nutrient delivery to the sexual organs, which is essential for healthy sexual performance. Additionally, vitamin E supports the elasticity of blood vessels, promoting better blood flow. This is especially important for men dealing with erectile dysfunction or other sexual health concerns. It's found in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and broccoli, making it easy to incorporate into a healthy diet. For those who might not get enough through food alone, supplements are an excellent way to ensure you're reaping all the benefits of vitamin E, helping maintain sexual health as you age. Lesson 4. Zinc and testosterone levels. Zinc is a critical mineral for maintaining overall health, but its impact on sexual function is especially noteworthy for men over 60. This essential nutrient directly influences testosterone production, a hormone that plays a key role in libido and sexual performance. Zinc deficiency has been linked to low testosterone levels, which can lead to reduced sexual desire, energy, and vitality. By ensuring adequate zinc intake, men can support healthy testosterone production, which in turn can boost sexual health. Zinc also contributes to sperm quality and supports immune system function, further enhancing overall well-being. You can find zinc in foods like meat, shellfish, legumes, seeds, and nuts. If you're not getting enough through your diet, a zinc supplement may be a good option to restore balance. Maintaining optimal zinc levels can help men feel more youthful, energized, and sexually vibrant as they age. Lesson 5. Magnesium for stress reduction. Magnesium is a vital mineral that offers numerous benefits, but its role in reducing stress is particularly important for sexual health, especially in men over 60. Stress is a common factor that negatively affects libido and sexual performance, and it can lead to hormonal imbalances. Magnesium helps regulate stress hormones like cortisol, ensuring a more relaxed and balanced state. When stress levels are reduced, testosterone production can improve, resulting in better sexual energy and performance. Additionally, magnesium plays a role in supporting nerve function and blood circulation, both of which are essential for healthy sexual function. Magnesium is found in foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. For those who experience chronic stress, a magnesium supplement may help restore calm and enhance sexual vitality. By keeping magnesium levels optimal, men can improve not only their sexual health, but their overall quality of life. Lesson 6. Omega-3 fatty acids for circulation. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their heart-healthy benefits, but their positive impact on sexual health is often underestimated, particularly for men in their 60s and 70s. One of the key functions of omega-3s is improving blood circulation, which is crucial for erectile function. Healthy circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered to the sexual organs, promoting better erections and overall sexual vitality. Omega-3 fatty acids also help reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health, which directly supports sexual function. These essential fats are found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. For men who don't consume enough omega-3 rich foods, supplements can be a beneficial way to enhance circulation and sexual health. Including omega-3s in your diet can not only support heart health, but also improve sexual energy and performance as you age. Conclusion: maintaining sexual health after 60 doesn't have to be a struggle. By focusing on essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, B12, E, zinc, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, you can naturally boost your sexual energy, improve circulation, and support testosterone production. These nutrients, along with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, can help you feel more vibrant, confident, and energized. Remember, always consult your doctor before starting supplements. But with the right approach, you can enjoy a fulfilling and active life well into your senior years.